love yourself some good Bahamian, keep watching this video to the end because I'll be showing you how you can perfect your Bahamian curls using human hair extension on your Bahamian curl. Guys, if you're new here, just want to say welcome and thank you for being here. Please remember to give me a thumbs up and hit the notification button so you can be notified when I post a new video. So let's get right into this video. As you can see, I already went ahead and do a lot of this braid, and this take me 5.5 hours to be completed. And this is a 72-inch braid using human hair extension for the curl. So when you're starting off the braid, what you want to do is to just get yourself 3 pieces, and you're going to start braiding as if you're braiding or not, if you're braiding any regular braid, before you add any of the extensions. So make sure that your extension are in small pieces. And for me, what you see I'm doing here is to add the first curly piece as I braid on 2 times, and I keep braiding down a bit. Just keep going on a few before you add another piece. And as I said, I'm using about 5 pieces on each plait because it's a 72 inch. I'm adding about 5 pieces on the body, and I'll add the last piece to the end of it that will make it have a curly way and be uniform all the way, as you can see. All right, so keep watching. Okay, as you can see, look at this. So this is how I started off. I braided down basically 3 times before I add the curl, and you add the curl and make sure you also braid 2 to 3 times before you take that braid out, because the braid can be very smooth and you don't want it to be removed by pulling and tugging. So you just actually make sure that it's secure. So you're going to braid down a few times again before you add. So it's just, you know, the outcome that you're trying to achieve, so you will do it based on that. So there's no special place to place it. You just need to add about 5 or 6 pieces of curly onto the body of the hair as well, and a piece onto the end of the hair, right? So this is basically what you're gonna do. So guys, keep watching this. Watch this video to the end, you will see the outcome. Just a side note here, when you're braiding the hair, if the person have really thick hair or if you have really thick hair, you're going to want to make your extension smaller. That will make the hair feel lighter on your head. It'll be more flexible, manageable. You can be able to style it up in one however you choose to. So just remember not to put a lot of braid, because if you do, it will make it too heavy, too cumbersome, and it will be uncomfortable. So be mindful of that. And you want to use human hair as your curly extension. Again, human hair, and make sure you maintain that hair, and you don't have to use anything heavy on your hair. You can, once you use human hair, you can use just simply water in a spray bottle or some leave-in conditioner. That's just about it. You don't need nothing, no oil, anything too heavy. That hair will last you at least for 2-3 months. Your style will last you. All right, so give me a thumbs up. Remember to like this video and press the notification button. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so. Thank you so much for watching. Have yourself an awesome and a blessed day.